So could we have some examples, Bob, that you've had good and bad experiences, you yourself, or students, or people that we've worked with or you've worked with. So can we go with what's been the best experience you've had, apart from me just saying that 2 week one, but maybe where you've turned council around and it's been an easy process because they saw the application and you were able to get relaxations that you were after. What's a great example
Oh,
we've had with that?
look, some have flown through fast,
Yep.
but I'm thinking of some I've been able to get some relaxations. Like there was a 4 townhouse project I did. What's that joint venture I did with my son Luke? We went for 4 relaxations in that. One was the front boundary setback. One was the rear boundary setback. One was the gross floor area. We went over a little bit on that with the amount of, the floor area of the buildings. We went a little bit over. And I think we went fractionally under on the landscaping area.
Mm.
We got all 4 of those through.
What was that, do you think?
Well, they weren't big things, but the town planner had a reasonable argument as to why those things should have been accepted,
Mm-hmm.
and how he, conformed and over conformed, if there's such a word, in other areas as well. And that argument got accepted, and all 4 of those, we weren't way out.
So he overconformed in some areas, and at that time, at that
Well,
particular
we
council.
may have offered more
Money?
no more money.
Did you offer money?
I wish it was that easy.
Yeah.
We might, like private open space. You have to have a certain amount of that. We might have been excess private open space,
Right.
excess lands, excess this or whatever
Okay.
it was. But then we're a little bit under here, a little bit under there, and we had a reason. Like the rear boundary setback was that one I just mentioned there, because it's normally a privacy thing, but the privacy wasn't an issue because of the type of building that was over the back, and therefore they said, "Oh, that's fair enough," Because I think we went from 6 metres back to 4.5, which was quite a big change.
Wow, that is a bit.
But privacy, which is the point of the whole thing, wasn't an issue, and we got it through. So, but I've had knockbacks as well. I mean, I had one big knockback a few years ago on a fully compliant application.